Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower. Continue with this movement, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release and place your fingertips to your shoulders. Touch your elbows front. Lift up. Open wide. Touch front. Continue flowing with this movement, stretching through your chest, shoulders, and upper back. Reverse directions. Touch your elbows front. Open wide. Lift up. Touch front. Continue with this movement, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing, maintain your fingertips to your shoulders with your elbows wide. Lift your elbows up and lower, keeping your shoulders relaxed, moving at your own pace, creating more mobility in your shoulders and upper back. Pausing, extend and bend, opening your arms shoulder height, palms facing upward, and touch your fingertips to your shoulders. Continue with this movement, increasing circulation in your upper body. Pause with both arms extended. Alternate between rolling your shoulders down and back, rotating your palms upward, and gently rolling your shoulders forward, rotating your palms down and back. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.